Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. Today we are going to listen to a typical Swiss small talk. In our last 3 videos, we talked about greetings, farewells, and salutation questions, which you now hear being used in a common conversation. Grüezi wohl, wie geht's Ihnen?
Grüezi, danke. Gut, und Ihnen?
Auch gut, merci. Wie heissen Sie?
Ich heiße Anja Muster. Und Sie?
Freut mich, Frau Muster. Ich bin der Thomas Zürcher. Von wo kommen Sie, Frau Muster?
Ich komme aus Deutschland. Und Sie?
Ich komme von der Schweiz. Wie lang sind Sie schon in der Schweiz?
Ich mache da Ferien für 2 Wochen.
Ah, interessant. Hat mich gefreut, Sie kennenzulernen, Frau Muster. Auf Wiedersehen.
Ade, Herr Zürcher.
In addition to the already established vocabulary, we can observe some other typical Swiss German characteristics. For example, the use of articles with names. Ich bin der Thomas. In High German, it would be rather unusual to use an article in this situation, but in Swiss German, it is mandatory. Because Thomas is a male name, we use the masculine article der. Ich bin der Thomas. If the name starts with a vowel, a hiatus occurs. A hiatus or hiat is when the final vowel of one word meets the initial vowel of the next word. Like here, the E of the article de and the A of the name Armin. This usually causes an interruption in the flow of speech. Ich bin der Armin. For that reason, we place the connecting R at the end of the article and consequently can pronounce both words together without a pause. Ich bin der Armin. In our teaching material, this connecting R is always indicated in cursive. For female names, we use the feminine article de. Ich bin Tanja. In this case, the vowels are not a problem. However, it can lead to difficulties with consonants. For example, if we have a female name that begins with the letter D, the pronunciation together with the article is not possible. In this case, we overemphasize the first letter of the name and leave out the article. Ich bin Daniela. Since Swiss German is a mostly spoken language, we often break grammatical rules to maintain a comfortable flow of speech. The sentence we use to talk about our origin also contains a hiatus. Ich komme aus Deutschland. We can avoid the hiatus by using a connecting N. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Another Swiss German characteristic can be seen in the following sentence. Ich mache da Ferien für 2 Wochen. In Ferien, we use a special letter that does not exist in the German alphabet. Normally, it's not used in our day-to-day life in Switzerland either. But in our teaching material, it shows a pronunciation between the letter E and an umlaut Ä. Ferien. Furthermore, there are also several forms of the number 2. In Zurich German alone, there exist the forms zwei, zwei, zwe, and zwo. There are many more variations in other Swiss dialects. We will go into more detail in a later video about numbers. or you can already find more information in our beginner's ebook Zurich für Anfänger. This was a typical Swiss Smalltalk. With this template, you can try to write your own version. Share it with us in the comments for a chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. Next week's topic are the personal pronouns. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This is very helpful for small channels as it ensures that YouTube suggests the video to more users. Merci vielmals, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.